Move over Valeria Lukianova. There's a new real-life Barbie getting a lot of attention. Meet the real-life Elsa Barbie doll. Hi everyone, I'm Sandra Matos. Welcome to I.O. Who's your favorite Disney princess or queen? Let me know in the comments below. Andressa Damiani is 23 years old from Brazil. She works as a vet, but her dollish good looks have made her a celebrity in Brazil and an internet sensation. She's gained even more popularity now as she's been labeled the real-life Elsa from Frozen. She really does resemble Elsa, with those big wide eyes and small lips. Andressa used to be bullied over the way she looked, but now at 23 she's embraced her look and actually likes that people notice her as a human living doll and compare her to Elsa. She said, "I realized that it was time to highlight the human doll features that I had, rather than fit in with the common beauty standards that I could never reach." Now you might think she's had plastic surgery, but she claims she has not had any plastic surgery. She enhances her doll features through makeup and contact lenses. Her look isn't appreciated by everyone. Some people actually are terrified of her doll features and run from her. Okay, I could kinda see that. Dolls, you know, they do freak out some people. My mom used to collect these lifelike dolls and my friends just never wanted to sleep over because of them. So seeing a real-life walking doll, I guess, could be a little bit creepy. Good thing she looks like Elsa and not Chucky. But she doesn't let these reactions or negativity get her down. "I want to show the world that everyone could be a doll. You don't have to be skinny or blonde. Just create your own look and be happy," says Andressa. What do you think about these girls that look like human dolls? Do you think they're cool or creepy? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Sandra Matos. Thanks for watching I.O.